He literally gave out a Lamborghini. That's like 97,207,666 naira. Ordering a Uber ride and you get to keep the car. MrBeast, please come and help my career. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Funke Odrode. On this channel we do personal finance, personal brand, business, entrepreneurship, making money, saving money, investing money, everything money, tutorials in general. If this is your area of interest, definitely consider subscribing so as not to miss out on any of our educational videos. Now the shout out for this week goes to Opeyemi Shukro. Shout out to you, girl. It's nice to have you as part of our new family. This YouTube family is growing, this community is growing, and we're happy to have you with us. Please soar high in your endeavors. If you want to be a part of this shout out opportunity, each week we pick new subscribers randomly. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now to get a chance to be part of this new opportunity. Without much ado, let's go into the video of the day. Guess whose video I literally watched last weekend? MrBeast. I basically binge watched his video. Call me crazy, but this guy is literally on fire. MrBeast gave out a Lamborghini, legit. I mean, it's a Lamborghini, like a Lambo. That wasn't the only car he gave out in that video. He gave out about 8 cars. Imagine you order a Uber ride and they give you a Lamborghini for keeps. I mean, ordering a ride and you get to keep the car. Man, I will shout to the rooftops. Like, guys, seriously, there's no form in here. I will shout to the rooftops. You know, at this point, it gets me thinking, what business ideas can give my subscribers a Lamborghini today? You know, if you're born in this country, you already won't go down. That is why we work so hard to better our personal finance. We think of business ideas as a way out. Even those who work 9 to 5 think of great side hustles to engage in order to up their games. We are fighters, we are survivors, and I know that one day it's actually gonna pay off. To you watching me out there, yes, you, those business ideas, those investment plans, those financial plans generally that no one sees how much you are putting into it, will eventually turn out to be something great one day. After saying MrBeast, I Ubered people and let them keep the ride video, I wondered, how much money does MrBeast make to help him afford this lifestyle? I realized it's not just in how much money you make, but in how much you give. Some people make a lot but refuse to give back to the society, but this guy decided to give back. Though I don't know how much he makes exactly, but then he decided to give back out of what he makes, because this guy has more than 80 million subscribers. How awesome is that? I mean, guys, 80 million subscribers, it is something huge. So definitely he's going to cash out on that. But then he could refuse to give, but this guy still chooses to give back to the society. Then this thought clicked. When we get to the YouTube subscriber milestone for this channel, I am going to do a giveaway to my YouTube family. The terms of the giveaway I don't know yet, but let's keep at it. Let's work at getting to that threshold. So hit that subscribe button right away to be part of this opportunity and to get us closer to that milestone. You guys hold the power. I really appreciate my existing subscribers. They are so amazing, and I seriously appreciate you new subscribers that are just coming in right now. I promise you, you're going to enjoy this new family you're joining. We celebrate our little wins and we are sure going to celebrate our big wins. Thank you, 100 subscribers and more. Let's work at getting to the 1000 subscriber milestone so that you can get a gift, even if I cannot afford a Lamborghini yet. Guys, so let's do this. This is a thank you video. Thank you, my esteemed subscribers. Thank you, my YouTube family. Thank you, my YouTube community. If you're new to this channel, I have all links in the description below. We do videos on business ideas, that is in series. You can find them in the description below. We have side hustles in episodes. It's also in the description below. We have YouTube tutorial specially made for you in case you intend to start a YouTube channel. It's in the description below. WhatsApp e-commerce is also in the description below. And we have about financial savings. All videos are linked to the description below. Don't hesitate so as to get maximum benefit from this channel before you check out of it. Until I see you in the next video, Ciao. And don't forget to like this video on your way out, guys.